talk about the crypto, that zombie asset that just refuses to freaking die. First, it was a rocket space to riches, then it was a sinking Titanic, and now some say it's rising from the ashes like a phoenix, while others screaming dead cat bounce. Today, on Hot Take All Truth, we are cutting through the hype to figure out what's really happening and if this comeback is a real deal or your one-way ticket to Brooksville. Let's set the stage. Bitcoin price is surging again, and here is why. You have a post-halving momentum that happened back in April of 2024. That cut mining rewards in half, which reduced the new Bitcoin that is entering circulation. And this scarcity effect often triggers price increases because demand now outpaces supply. Here's the kicker though. Historically, halvings don't cause an instant boost. They create kind of a delayed ripple effect over time. So that's why we are just now seeing a stronger post-halving impact as 2025 kicked off. You have institutional FOMO. Major players like BlackRock have rolled out Bitcoin ETFs, making crypto more accessible to traditional investors. All because Wall Street now wants their piece of the pie. And you have global economic instability, high inflation, geopolitical tension, shaky banks, all of that has people running to Bitcoin as a so-called digital gold. Whether it's smart or reckless, we'll get into it. So crypto's comeback is real, or at least it looks real. But is this the beginning of a bull market or just a FOMO-driven mirage? Let's dig deeper. Here's the cold hard truth that no one wants to hear. Just because Bitcoin's bouncing, it does not mean it's alive and thriving. Why? Let's talk numbers. Over 50% of crypto investors still have not recovered their losses from the last crash. Rug pulls, scams cost consumers a staggering $3 billion in 2023 alone. And let's not forget regulation. The SEC has crypto in its crosshairs and it's suing everyone from Binance to Coinbase. So the message is clear, they're coming for this industry's head. So if you're betting your life savings on crypto's comeback, you're basically gambling that the public will forget the industry's Wild West reputation. It won't, at least not anytime soon. So what's the play here? Here are your thrive-tested, no BS guide to navigating crypto right now. 1. Only risk what you can afford to lose. You need to start treating crypto like Vegas. It is high risk, high reward, and the house usually wins. If you're dipping your toes in, focus on established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum and leave all the dark coins and pump and dump tokens for the meme lord. Diversify like a pro. Don't make crypto your whole portfolio. Use it sort of like a spice, not the main course. Stocks, real estate, and cash flow assets should still be your bread and butter. And stay educated. Learn about the blockchain tech, not just the price charts. If you don't understand what you're investing in, you're not investing, you're just guessing. And lastly, watch out for that regulation. Keep an eye on laws and SEC actions because the legal landscape will make or break crypto's future. The key takeaway, don't FOMO. Stay informed, stay smart, and play the long game. Here's the thing, crypto isn't dead, but it's not exactly alive and thriving either. It's somewhere in between. It's like your friend who quit drinking but still shows up to a happy hour. You have one of those? And don't let the hype fool you. Be smart, do your homework, and remember, wealth isn't built by chasing trends. It's built by sticking to fundamentals and staying consistent. This has been Hot Take All Truth. Smash that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments whether crypto is a gold mine or a scam of the century. Let's hear it.